for Halloween.
Experience, you know. Bye, Nina.
Persevere, Dad.
Nina doesn't know that her mom is coming home today. Happy birthday. What we doing?
Going to school.
You got your nice little unicorn shirt on, looking cool. Dia de los Muertos is coming up, as well as Halloween, so this is gonna be a special episode.
4 more days for Halloween.
So for those of you who are new to our channel, my name is Cameron, this is Nina. We are headed to school. I'm headed to jiu-jitsu class right after. Probably go tonight as well. Bekah is out of town, she's in New York. Well, she's in Connecticut now. And so I'm holding down the fort, single dadding it.
Unhalessing it too.
We're unhalessing it too, yeah. And we're Ninaing it. Mosquitoes. As always, comment, like, share, subscribe. It always helps. Let's go. Nina's giving out flags. Another day. So I'm here to pick Nina up now. My day really been spent, like most of the time we were learning Spanish today, and then that's what I did after class, and then I took a run. But now I'm here at Nina's school picking her up. Not really my helmet out on the motorcycle. When we're at home, I do, but I don't do it when we're out. Come on, let's go. Where it all begins and ends. I'm hungry, and Nina's hungry. Yeah, you do. So I decided to come to Buen Confidente for lunch together. I think today is ice cream sandwich day. I think it is. Let's and this time I'm gonna show you. Got this little lemonade. Fire.
Lemonade.
Eat some of them onions.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
You want good bone density, right?
No.
Don't eat that too. Eat that too. Eat that too. Nah, don't scrape it off. Nah, give me that. Give me that. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You see this? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Some onions. Yeah, onions. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Onion. Appreciate you trying. How was the other one? Oh. Girl, sis.
Are you looking about that, Dad?
Yes, I am.
Whoa, you're that hungry?
Yeah, I think I showed y'all this, but yeah, we're doing it a little healthier today. With an ice cream sandwich. Oh. See nothing. I swear, one of the best decisions we ever made was hiring Angeles. Like, she really has this place, like, clean, like, almost all the time. And then she's helping me with Spanish, like... Telling you, you can make some decisions that really change things, change your entire experience, you know. Yo, Nina's doing her homework. I thought something was really wrong with her, but she's got from these little... I thought you were done for. I was like, oh my God. We got a late night tonight. One of the guys hit me up and was like, they're rolling on the other side of town, so I'm taking a 30-minute car to Calkel to roll, and yeah, basically it's one of Nina's friends' houses.
To change my skirt.
Yeah, you can see. See, too cansado. I think we're here. So, I think we're here. Go ahead, knock on the door. So I'm here, but I guess he's not here yet. Is that him right there? I don't know. But yeah, I gotta see. Nope, that's not him. So yeah, but I know this is his house because he got the mats right there. It's gonna be a late night. But I'll probably go home, man, because if there's nobody here, then I'll probably go home. Oh. He likes pillow.
Look, the guys, the mistake in the leg lock is because the other guy tried to attack the leg before controlling the other one. So the first reaction is protect with the other limb. So when you have both limbs, you need to control one and then attack the other. So it's going to be on your side.
Mañana.
Muy bien.
So it looked like nobody really showed up, but that's good because now I get some one-on-ones so I can really work on like specific things in my game that I need to work on. And if I roll with them, I'm just get demolished anyway, so it's always good.
Because it's a rule. Yeah. It's not the rule of black belt, it's the rule of the federation.
Oh, for like across the board.
Yeah, even if professor is not coming here to promote you, you're gonna get striped. Perfect?
Yeah, that's good. All right. Did I get that? Yeah, I think I got that. We're at home now. Listen, you said I need to get footage of you sleeping in the hammock, right? How do you know I didn't get footage? Well, you should look, because that's how you know that I've been getting you footage.
Persevere, Dad.
I'm trying.
So my dad's very sleepy and he very wants to give up, but I'm telling him persevere, Dad.
You're right.
Persevere.
Yeah, give. Dar. Ra. Re. Ri. Ro. Ru.
There you go. Done.
Nah, it's perfect. So we're back here again to get a costume. Alright, so we got the Pikachu costume, and then Nina needs a white shirt for tomorrow for school. Let me see it. What do you think?
I like it.
Alright, that's it then. I don't know if I understood him correctly, but I think he just gave us the costume because this is our second time renting it. And he was like, hey, you don't have to bring it back. And I was like, huh? I don't know. We'll see. All right, so class is done. We are in Walmart trying to find lunch for Nina tomorrow. So I couldn't find anything last minute, so I got some of these. We just about to thug it out tonight. Yeah, it is Coco. We're in the Oxo right now. The most important store.
He needs to learn water bending.
Nina, what are you doing? Where? Oh. You want to put your Pikachu on?
Yeah.
All right, Nina. Bye, Nina. So I've been doing Spanish classes with my nanny every day, and that's been pretty helpful. Like I feel like my Spanish is like improving drastically. But I'm here at Nina's school picking her up. It's like a Halloween day too. I was taking some. What's that? Ooh.
Nos vemos mañana. Hasta luego.
Oh, I want a picture. Hey, Nina. You ain't listening to me. All right, we headed to the trunk or treat. We're gonna go, and then we're gonna head downtown, and we're gonna see other things. Looks like nobody's here in the park.
But this doesn't look like it's a park.
I don't know. All right, so we're headed downtown instead of to the park. I don't know what's going on, and nobody's there, so we're just gonna go ahead and head downtown. I'm already seeing some costumes and some weird stuff, so this is good. So we're down in Central now. It looks like we're getting close to something. There's a bus right there in the middle of the road. So I finagled the parking spot. I don't know if it was a parking spot, but I finagled it. Now we're close. So we gonna see.
Hasta 1942, cuando lo aplastó una idea de que hables.
Bienvenido a la Plaza de la Cruz. A escena.
Eso, Miguelito.
Nina, you like it? That's right, Nina. Let's go.
Y venga, y véngale, y muévelo, y muévelo, 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 muévelo. Y nos vamos. Ándale, ándale. Todos. A ver qué decimos.
There we go. Yeah, this is. I think the costumes make it even funnier. You know I don't help. You know I'm not here to help.
No.
Let that thing go.
No.
Let it go.
No.
Let's go. No, sir. No help. All right, so that's it. We're headed back. Leaving there and headed to our side of town. I'm hungry. I forgot money. I just, not great. Absolutely right, Nina. I need to not do that. I need to not say that. I shouldn't call people jerks. You're absolutely right, even if they drive terribly.
Some more curiosity time. And look at my tooth now.
I forgot to say, Bekah is trying to surprise Nina with coming back home. So Nina doesn't know that her mom is coming home today, and I'm not gonna tell her. She thinks we're going to a birthday party now. So we're gonna drive like 30 minutes out and be like, yeah, it's at some other place, I don't know. Pull up and her mom's gonna be there. So let's see how she responds to that.
Avenida Omar G. Diaz y Diaz.
Yeah, we're gonna go get in this pool too. Hey bro, looking a little sleepy. You sleepy?
I'm okay.
Yeah, we gotta find Surreal and Levi some water. Yeah, we have to find Surreal and Levi water.
Why?
Because we're going to their party today, so we gotta figure out.
Water?
Huh? Nina, I'm trying to get a video of you so I can show them. Here, show me your swimsuit.
I'm hungry.
Sir, I got you. Didn't I get you, Nina? Yes.
I thought we were going.
You have it, folks, the sentimental stuff that you watch this channel for. And I just gave it to you. Go ahead, give us a thumbs up. It's already going. We're probably going to end it today. How's it feel to be back home?
Feels good. Feels good. Definitely. Like I said, I like New York. I miss New York, but it's good to be here. Miss my family.
And you miss your belly?
Well, I take my belly everywhere, though.
That was solid. I was like, yo. I had to think about it. I was like, man. Yes. Happy birthday. Here, what's up? You're about to get the foam going.
I guess he's 3.5.
So if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, let us know you don't like it. Right now we're at a jiu-jitsu seminar, and we'll be doing more videos very soon. But go ahead and show your support for the channel. I appreciate everything. Y'all have a nice day.